Welcome to my build of the Airfix kit set of the Gloster Gladiator Mk.1 in 1/72 scale. A relatively simple kit to put together. It was first moulded in 1956 and this is a re-release from 2007. I decided to make the RAF 1937 version of the aircraft that flew before World War II. You can also make one of Faith, Hope or Charity that flew in June 1940 over the skies of Malta during the Mediterranean conflict against the Italian and German air forces. In fact, the decals are the highlight of this kit. You can make up to 4 different versions of the aircraft and they are very easy to work with. The moulding clearly shows it was 1956 technology. There's a lot of flash to clean up and some parts just a little bit warped and need to be filed down or altered. I also decided to use the old Airfix Humbrol paints, silver, amongst others, and of course I rigged it with a very inexpensive locally sourced line. So enjoy the build.